the next place to go to is the Downtown Library on 4th Street. It's parallel to the Seattle Art Museum, or SAM, as we like to call it. Um, we spent $20 million building that library 10 years ago, 20 years ago, back when that was more, 20 million was more money. And so it, uh, it's got art embedded in the walls. It's the top floor has amazing views of the city and the ocean, and it's the ceiling's made out of plate glass. The architecture of the building itself is amazing, but each floor has different things to, like, art things to discover. The 4th floor is one of my favorite places on earth, I think, because the walls are like concave and they're like this deep blood red. So it just feels like you're in a womb. It's like it's like the happiest. I really do think it's one of the happiest places on earth, that 4th floor of the library. It just feels good. Um, and it gives you a way to look at the whole city without spending $50 on the fucking Space Needle, which I think is a ripoff because I don't know. It's just hokey. I like looking at the Space Needle from other places. I like looking at it. I don't need to look at Seattle from it. Do you see what I mean? If you're going to spend money on a view, well, first of all, once you go to the library, there is like a chocolate cart on the 2nd floor and coffee. There's chocolate and coffee. You can get a journal. You can get some used books if you're kind of a bookstore freak.